Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iPad without passcode or computer. So if you have iPad that you don't know the passcode of and you want to factory reset it, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So let's get started the video. Before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So if you have forgotten the passcode of your iPad, now you want to factory reset, let me show you how you can do that. To do this, we need another device. With the help of another device, we can just factory reset this iPad. So in my case, I'm using this iPhone of mine. This is my second iPhone. With the help of this iPhone, I'm going to factory reset this iPad. So if you have Android device or any iPhone, you can borrow from friend and any family member. So once you have the another device, what you're gonna do, go to browser, any browser. You can use Google Chrome or Safari and simply search for iCloud.com and then simply click on sign in. And on this website, you have to sign in the same Apple ID that you were using on this iPad. So this is the same Apple ID that I was using on this iPad and also on this iPhone. Then simply you can continue with the Touch ID or click on use different Apple ID. Sign in your Apple ID. So once you have signed in the same Apple ID, just wait. So if you use different Apple ID, this method won't work. So make sure that you are using the same Apple ID. Then simply click on this quick access menu and click on find my app. And here you will see all of the devices that are logged in with your Apple ID. So as you can see here is my iPad. So to factory reset this iPad, simply select your iPad and here you have erase iPad option. Click on it. Click on continue. And then you have to enter the password of your Apple ID to confirm that you want to factory reset this iPad. So once you have confirmed the password, then simply click on next and click on done. Then you will get the message saying erase started. Now you don't need this device and this iPad will start everything automatically. Just wait. Here we go. So now it's factory resetting. Once the factory reset is complete, then you can use your iPad. The password will be removed from your iPad. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.